What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing or unbagging this MorpheMe subscription. So if you're interested in knowing how this works or what it is, if you don't know what it is, then just keep on watching. Now I'm sorry I sound a little stuffy. I have been sick for the past few days, so I sound like I'm talking like this, but I'm not. I've been sick. So, first of all, for those of you who do not know what MorpheMe is, it is a monthly subscription, just like Ipsy, BoxyCharm, any of those other monthly subscriptions, and it is for brushes. Now, this is actually not through the Morphe website. It's through LiveGlam.com. And basically you pay $19.99 a month and you get anywhere from 3 to 5 brushes for $19.99. So if you are someone who just doesn't want to splurge on spending a lot of money on brushes, then this is definitely a good option. This is how I started building my brush collection. Actually, these two little cans of brushes right here are all from MorpheMe subscription that I've had over the past few months. And I do have a link that you guys can use, and when you subscribe using that link, then you will get one extra free brush of your choosing for that month. And I do believe that this month you get 2 extra free brushes, so I think total you'll get 5 brushes if you subscribe within the month of February. Okay, so now I actually haven't opened it. This is going to be my first time seeing. I haven't even looked online to see which ones I'm getting. I wanted to just open it with you guys. So it always comes with like a little card or little pamphlet or something to tell you what each one is for. And then the brushes. Okay, so I am getting 4 brushes. They are all individually packaged. So let's start out with the big one. So this is the M462 brush. And right here it says your perfect match. It's Valentine's Day themed. And this is a duo powder dome. So a light and airy skin finish. This is basically what that's for, to evenly distribute powder. And yeah, so it's very fluffy. So yeah. And usually they're pretty good about sending like the same collection, like if in 1 month they send like the rose gold collection like this, all of the brushes will be the rose gold ones, or like the Y collection, or the, let's see, no. One of these. I think this is called the Gilded collection, the G brushes. So see, here's another one of the Y. So they're pretty good. So obviously these are all the ones that start with M. So the next brush, I'm gonna get the M. What is this? I'm going to open up the M104. This is just an angled blush brush. I love these type of brushes because they're not super big, and they're really good to kind of blend out your blush. I already have blush on my face, but we're going to go ahead and just give it a quick try. I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blush. And I'm just going to tap it in there. I love these kind of brushes for blush, because I just like to pat it on my cheek and then blend it up. There's that one. The next brush I am going to open. If I can get it open. This is the M335 Chubby Buffer. This is really good for concealer and contour. So you can see right there. It fits really good right here in your under eye area, or to contour your nose. I like these type of brushes too, especially when I have setting powder under my under eyes. I like these little ones that can really get in there and brush it out. And then lastly is the M509 Deluxe Pointed Blender, which is a highlight brush. It is tapered and it's extra long. So let's see how this works. So as you can see, it is really, really long. This is usually my go-to highlight brush, which is from the Jaclyn Hill. So you can see the difference there and how long it is compared to this one. So I'm interested to see how this will work with highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wet it a little bit. Does pick up a lot of highlight. Yeah. If you want like a very dramatic highlight, I think this one works really good for that. I'm gonna use the tip. So like I said, you guys, if you decide to use the link below, you will get these 4 plus an additional brush. So I think I'm pretty sure you'll be getting 5 brushes this month if you subscribe within the month. So if you are wanting to build up your brush collection, you just want to experiment with more brushes, because you guys, it does make a difference to have a bigger variety of brushes to choose from when you're doing your makeup. So this is a really good option, and it's only $19.99. It's like not even $20, because in that $19.99 taxes are already included, taxes and shipping. So $19.99 for 3 to 5 brushes every single month. So that wraps up today's video, you guys. I just wanted to make it short, sweet, simple, and to the point. Go get your hands on these brushes. Make sure that you use the link below to subscribe and get on it. Don't miss out on getting your extra brush this month. Like I said, this is such a good subscription if you are trying to build up your brush collection. It really helped me. Like I said, all of these are from the MorpheMe subscription. and I love them. You will not be disappointed in these Morphe brushes. I will leave the link below to the subscription. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment before you leave. And as always, tag me in anything relating to any of my videos, whether it's a makeup look, a recipe that you tried out, or if you got the subscription, let me know, screenshot it, tag me, let me know that you got it, because it really helped me. So I'm pretty sure it'll help out a lot of you girls out there trying to build up your brush collection. So that is it for today, you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.